Deskmate. Middle school. Harbin, China. 52 students in a room. I didn't know him as he was far from me. One day the teacher changed all the table mates. She said we all have to sit together. I felt terrible. He did too. He didn't know me and he didn't want to stay with me. It was silence, then fighting. I kicked him. He kicked me back. The teacher never saw. He drew a line on the table with his pencil. The teacher did not know. If he put his stuff on the table, it became mine. I got a lot of things. A rubber, a book, even his pencil case. He got my fairy book. I fell asleep on a desk one day. My teacher asked me a question. It was maths. I didn't know the answer. He wrote the answer on his book for me to read and pulled my coat so I could see. We did not like each other from the beginning or after that. I still didn't like him.